What if I told you that some of the tastiest, healthiest vegetables you've never even heard of were actually common food in the Middle Ages? While today we're stuck with the same supermarket lineup, potatoes, carrots, and broccoli, medieval farmers were growing a whole rainbow of strange, powerful vegetables. Many of them vanished from our tables, but they could absolutely make a comeback. And honestly, some of these could change the way we eat forever. So let's travel back in time and uncover 15 forgotten medieval vegetables that need to return to our plates. 1. Skirret. A sweet, white root vegetable that tastes like a mix between carrot and parsnip. Medieval cooks loved it roasted with honey and herbs. Think of it as the dessert root of the Middle Ages. 2. Alexander's. Known as the black lovage, this plant was used in soups and stews before celery took its place. Its stems and leaves had a peppery bite, perfect for flavoring broths. 3. Good King Henry. Not a monarch, but a spinach-like leafy green. Farmers ate it boiled or fried in butter. It was packed with iron and vitamins, making it a survival staple. 4. Rampion. This one had both edible leaves and roots. Rampion roots were nutty and sweet, while the leaves worked like salad greens. Bonus, it's the plant from the fairy tale Rapunzel. 5. Sea kale. Harvested along coastlines, it was blanched and eaten like asparagus. It's so hardy it still grows wild today, waiting for us to rediscover it. 6. Salsify. Nicknamed the oyster plant because its root had a delicate, seafood-like flavor when cooked. A medieval delicacy and a chef's dream ingredient today. 7. Purslane. A hardy weed with lemony, crunchy leaves. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, medieval farmers ate it in salads and stews long before health influencers praised it. 8. Sorrel. Bright green and tangy, sorrel gave soups and sauces a lemon-like punch. It was used to cut through heavy, fatty medieval dishes. 9. Lovage. A tall, fragrant herb with edible stalks and leaves, almost like a supercharged version of celery. Farmers also used it as medicine for digestion. 10. Chervil. This delicate herb, similar to parsley, added a mild anise flavor to medieval cooking. It was a favorite for egg dishes and sauces. 11. Cardoon. Imagine a thistle that tastes like artichoke. Farmers grew it for its tender stalks, usually baked with cheese or cream. 12. Turnip greens. Before kale and spinach, people loved turnip tops. Rich in nutrients, they were boiled, fried, and added to stews. 13. Horseradish leaves. Not just the root, medieval folks also ate the spicy leaves, using them to flavor meats and pickles. 14. Nettles. Yes, stinging nettles. Once cooked, the sting disappears, leaving behind a spinach-like flavor full of protein and iron. Farmers turned it into soups every spring. 15. Parsley. A cross between parsley and celery, loved for its strong flavor. It was used both as a garnish and as a vegetable in its own right. So, next time you're bored of lettuce or tired of plain potatoes, remember, medieval farmers had a far more adventurous diet than we do. These 15 forgotten vegetables fed generations through war, famine, and plague, and maybe, just maybe, they're due for a comeback in our kitchens. Which one would you want to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more weird, delicious history. Good night.